Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good afternoon, my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Halimatu Sadia Ginting. So, today I want to do a presentation about COVID-19. So, I will start my presentation now. What the meaning of COVID-19? Okay, COVID-19 or coronavirus is a collection of virus that can infect the respiratory system. In most cases, this virus cause only minor respiratory infection, such as the flu. However, this virus can also cause severe respiratory infections, such as lung infection or pneumonia. Okay, next, early corona symptoms. First, fever. When we are in this condition, our body will heat up and will also become weak. Next, choke. Because COVID-19 irritates the lung tissue, the cough becomes dry and prolonged. The cough is accompanied by shortness of breath and muscle access. The last, shortness of breath. Shortness of breath accompanied by fever and cough. It's another case is symptom coronavirus. Okay. The first step we check when we have COVID symptoms. First, wear a mask and avoid the crowd, and then go to hospital. The beginning of the emergence of COVID-19. The first case of disease occurred in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. After that, COVID-19 spread between people very quickly and spread of dozens of countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. Okay, its rapid spread has led several countries to implement policies to enforce lockdown to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. In Indonesia, the government has implemented a large-scale social restriction. The danger of the coronavirus in our body. When it enters the body, the coronavirus will stick to the walls of the cell of the respiratory throat and lungs, then enter in multiply there. This process will be detection by the immune system. After that, the immune system will react by sending white blood cell and forming antibodies to fight and kill the virus. However, if a person immune system is not strong enough to fight the coronavirus or instead of rage, then that person will experience more severe symptoms of COVID-19, namely high fever and shortness of breath. Of they might experience organ damage. Okay, next. How do you prevent being exposed to the coronavirus? First, use mask when you going activities in public places or crowd, including then you go grocery shopping. Okay. Two, do not touch your eyes, nose, and mouth before you washing your hands. Next, wash your hands when you go out of the house. The last, cover nose and mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, then throw the tissue in the trash. How to save disinfectant? First, not spraying in the body, and then items that have been sprayed with a disinfectant can be wiped immediately with a short cloth. Pay attention to the number and boundaries in the area. Last, ensure proper ventilation. COVID-19 infection can cause serious complications as acute respiratory failure, pneumonia, acute liver failure, acute heart failure, kidney failure, and death. Okay, how does COVID-19 spread? Okay. People can get COVID-19 from other people who are infected with the virus. COVID-19 is spread primarily from the person to person through droplets from the nose or mouth that come out when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or coughs. These viruses are relatively heavy, they do not travel far and fall to the ground quickly. People can become infected with coronavirus 19 if they breathe in the spaces of an infected person. Therefore, it is important for us to mention of a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people. The species can stick to objects and other surfaces around people such as tables, door handles, and handrails. People can become infected by touching these objects or surface, then touching their eyes, nose, and mouth. This is why it is important to wash your hands regularly with soap and clean running water, or clean them with alcohol-based hand rub. Who is continuing to review research developments on how COVID-19 is spreading and will share the latest finding. Okay, guys. Okay, if anyone else want to ask,
Yes, of course.
okay.
My question is, what can I do to protect myself and other if I don't know who was COVID-19?
Uh, I will answer the question from Pahrani. What can I do to protect myself and other if I don't know who has COVID-19? Practicing hand and respiratory hygiene at all times is very important and is the best way to protect other and yourself. It's if possible, keep your distance from other people at least 1 meter, especially if you are near people who are coughing or sneezing. Since some people who are infected might not have any symptoms or the symptoms are still mild, it is best to maintain physical distance from everyone if you are in area where COVID is spreading.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Maybe that's all the material I can convey about COVID-19. If there is a wrong word, I'm so sorry. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.